Hello everyone. Thanks so much for clicking on my video. I'm Heidi and I'm so glad you're here. Today we have a kind of a cleaning mashup. So we're doing bathrooms, we're doing carpet fresheners, we have leather cleaning that we're doing, and also some dusting in our living room and living spaces. Starting out here, we're going to do the main floor bathroom, a little half bath that most of our guests use and also just kind of gets used in general a lot by all of us, as it's the only bathroom here on our main floor. So it is a small little bathroom, but it's a super cute little bathroom too. So for the bathrooms, we're doing it all, folks. We're doing toilets, we're doing countertops and the sinks and the mirrors. We're getting everything cleaned up, freshened up, sanitary safe, and ready for a new week. And then this is in our upstairs. This is our kids' bathroom, and they like to leave it super messy, super untidy. We've got Barbies in the bathtub, toothpaste all over the countertops, everything that you would expect from a kid's bathroom. So we're going to go ahead and get that cleaned up. In an upcoming video, my husband and I are going to do kind of like a home tour, and there we'll show all of the renovations that we've done to this house. So our house is like a 1967 house. I think that was the year it was built. And over the last year, we've kind of gone through and pretty much renovated all of the spaces in the home. And so we'll do a little bit of a tour and show you all the renovations, things that were on a budget, and a couple of things we still have yet to take care of. Upstairs in our bathrooms, I'm using my favorite Jaws products. So you'll see those kind of pop in and out. But for the bathrooms, they have the bathroom foaming cleanser, the shower cleanser, and the glass cleaner. And then for our toilets up here and our kids in our main bathroom or our master bathroom, I'm using the Method anti-vac cleaners. So it's the spray cleaner as well as the toilet bowl cleaner. I really like these products. I think they work really well, and they also smell very minty fresh. So I hope everyone's having a good week. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for clicking on it. I appreciate it. On our channel, we do cleaning and crafting and DIY and all kinds of kind of homemaking and other fun things. We live here in the Midwest in Minnesota, and this is just like the best place to raise our family and be with our friends. And we love it. All right, what I'm capturing here is just our small, teeny tiny master bathroom. We have big plans for this bathroom, but Until that comes around, we have just a small little bathroom, so it's easy to clean, but it does need some improvements. Alright folks, so after the bathrooms, this is a new day. My husband and I decided that we should try and get the leather on our living room couches and our ottoman, the big chair, try and get it cleaned up a little bit. So the furniture we have in our living room is hand-me-down from my husband's parents. They got a new set, and so they gave us all of their leather furniture, which is in great condition. The only issue is that it is getting old, and we do have a big dog that likes to jump all over the furniture. So it is getting pretty scratched up, kind of beaten up, and so we thought we'd try and freshen it up a bit. So I found these products that they're from the Chemical Guys, I think is the brand, and it's a leather like cleaner, and that's what the spray is. And then after you get everything sprayed down and cleaned, then you go back through with a leather conditioner, and that helps to soften and kind of like bring more vibrancy back to the leather. So that's what you'll see us do here on the couches and the chair. And of course I recruited my husband to do more of the hard work on this one. So now Chad's going back in with the conditioner, and so you just kind of squirt the conditioner on and rub it in, and then just let it sit, and it softens and kind of refreshes the leather. I will say I was kind of mortified by how dirty the leather was. It was really bad. So you can see here all of the scratch marks our dog has put on that poor chair. Once the conditioner dried, it actually did look pretty good. I mean, it's not going to look brand new, obviously, because these are old couches with a lot of wear in them, but it did bring back some life to the leather. Alright, so another new day, and I'm going to be tidying up the living room. I'm going to be doing some dusting in here. I'm going to be doing some dusting in our sitting area that's next to our kitchen. You'll see that in a little while. And then we're also going to be using carpet cleaner, and I'll show you what product I used for that in a few minutes here. For the dusting, I am using the Method wood cleaner in the almond scent, and it smells fantastic. If anybody's ever used that, it's my favorite. dusting mitt as well as a microfiber cloth. I like to use the mitt just to get around like all of the weird angles on the lamps and, you know, other like little decor items that I have. And then for the microfiber cloth, I like that just to kind of really clean well on all of the surfaces. Now we're by our kind of our sitting area by our dining table. This is just like a little bit of a offshoot area. It was an extension made on the house, and so we use it as a sitting area. This is also where our dog Reggie has his sleeping kennel. So this also gets a bit of dirt and grime just from Reggie running back and forth from being outside and in his kennel. So on our orange chairs, they are fabric, so what I'd like to do is use this Tide antibacterial fabric spray once a week just to kind of freshen them up and take care of some of the odor and germs that end up just kind of residing on the fabric. And here you can see I'm starting to do the carpet refresher. So what I'm using for our rugs is the Aunt Fanny's carpet refresher. It's a non-toxic product. So basically you just sprinkle it all over the carpet, wait 15 minutes, and then go through and vacuum it up. So, I mean, these are pretty common products. I just ended up using Aunt Fanny's. I do like it. I think that it did make the carpets smell better, especially having a dog. Our carpets need kind of a refresh pretty frequently. I'm not sure it's a product that I'll buy often, but I do think it works. Alright folks, so that's going to kind of end the video for today. Again, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Coming up, we're going to do home tour, and then probably most exciting, we have fall decor coming in, and then Halloween after that. So lots more to come. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you later.